Nikkei higher as investors shrug off Japanese data. Japanese shares traded higher on Friday as investors shrugged off the series of government data showing a slowing Japanese economy. In December, Japan's inflation rose 2.5% from a year earlier, below expectations and easing for a fifth consecutive month. Factory output rose below forecasts at 1% from the previous month, while household spending fell more than expected by 3.4% from a year ago. The Nikkei was up 0.7% at 17,724.62. On the positive end, the availability of jobs in Japan rose to the highest level in more than 2 decades as the jobless rate fell to 3.4%, from 3.5% in November. The dollar was at 118.28 yen, slightly down from 118.34 yen in New York trade. Shares in Takata took another hit, down over 1% after Honda said that a driver was killed in the U.S. last week in a 2002 Accord equipped with a Takata airbag that may have ruptured. Chinese markets traded flat with Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index at 24,599.51, while the Shanghai Composite was at 3,263.47. Australian shares headed higher for the 8th consecutive session with the SM/ASX 200 up 0.7% to 5,608.5. The benchmark had hit a 20-week closing high the previous day. In South Korea, shares traded flat after data showed that factory output in December grew at its fastest pace in over 5 years from the previous month. Output rose by a seasonally adjusted 3% in December on monthly terms, following a downwardly revised 1% rise in November. The benchmark KOSPI was at 1,950.67,